Hey guys, Mark with Damascus Enterprises. We're here in Burtonsville, Maryland. Beautiful day out, early spring here. We've come to do a clean out. So this customer purchased the house late last year. They're not really familiar with the maintenance and things like that goes with having a pond. So I want to do a quick video, show you guys how to clean an Aquascape Classic large skimmer here. So if you come up, you can see here inside of our skimmer, we have the skimmer itself with the net. As you can see, it's been a while since this net has been cleaned. So all you have to do is, first thing, you want to get as much debris into the net as you can. And then you have these two notches here on the front. You want to pull the net out of the notches, and you'll pull it out from the skimmer opening. And then you'll pull the net out. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of debris in here. So what we do is we usually have a trash bucket with us. Empty the net out. And then also inside of here, there's a filter mat that filters the water. Once it gets the smaller particles out of the water that passes through the net. So you'll reach into the bottom here. You'll find that filter net, or the filter pad. Pull it out. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the hose, we're going to hose that down. Also, we're going to reach in and kind of pull out any debris that's down in there that may have got past that filter mat. Get that cleaned out, we'll be back and show you how to put it all back together. Alright, so we've got our filter mat hosed off. You can see it's a lot cleaner now. It's not perfect. It doesn't need to be. It's a pond, it's not a pool. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this put back in. Underneath of this filter mat, though, there is a plastic rack that sits under here. We want to make sure this plastic rack is sitting flat on the tabs here. So we'll put the filter mat back in first, like so. And this is also a great time if you've got a Aquascape iONgen. As you can see here, our probe is fairly dirty, so we want to get these things cleaned off here a little bit. Make sure that we have two individual probes here. As you can see, some of it's stuck there in the middle. We'll have a stick or a knife or something with us, and we'll kind of clean those off a little bit. Make sure we get our two probes there. So, and in case you're wondering, Aquascape iONgen is to help take care of string algae and make sure that you don't have green algae hanging off your rocks. This does a great job at that. So we'll get that put back in here, and then we'll put our net back in. And you want to make sure that you get the bars here. There's 4 notches, one on each corner, and that helps keep this thing from sliding around. And you want to make sure that make sure you get your net pulled back up in place, and it tucks back underneath of this skimmer opening here. And that way any debris comes in, doesn't go down and bypasses the net. So hopefully this answers your questions. And if you have any more questions, hopefully we have a blog post that'll answer it for you. If not, give us a call. Thanks for watching.